Meaning of encroachment.
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 Encroachment. Encroachment refers to the act of intruding or trespassing onto another's property or rights. It can also refer to the gradual takeover of land or territory by one party at the expense of another. The result of encroachment is often disputes and conflicts between the parties involved, which can lead to legal action or even violence. Encroachment can have significant environmental impacts, such as the destruction of natural habitats and ecosystems, and can also negatively affect cultural or historical sites. In short, encroachment can have far-reaching and detrimental consequences for individuals, communities, and the environment.